Imagine seeing him on the town, holding another hand. She's staring me down, so I figured that he told her who I am. But it don't matter either way, what they do or say, 'cause ain't nothing changed. He's standing with her, but his soul is calling out my name. In my mind, I'll always be his lady. In my mind, I'll always be his girl. Saw his mother just the other day, said he's been through himself. That's well. Had a bad breakup, thinks he's on his way up, it's hard to tell. She said, I think it feels so good if you call him every now and then. She said, if this doesn't thing, then I'm thinking he could really use a friend. In my mind, I'll always be his lady. In my mind, I'll always be his girl.